Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a team picture to Teams on Microsoft Teams for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. An Office 365 account can be for school, work, business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Google Chrome, type in office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, and then go to the left hand side navigation menu or click on the bottom left corner where we have all apps. Click on Teams, and now to change the photo, let's just go to Teams. We have a team that we created yesterday. Go to the conversation, top left corner, click on the logo. Now go to the cogwheel, settings, click on team picture. We can change the picture, upload picture. We have a photo ready for us to change the picture. Click on open, click on save, and now this should upload the photo. Click on close. As you can see, the photo for that team itself has now changed. If we go to reload, if we close out the Teams, go back into Teams, and now we can see the photo for that particular team has changed to what we selected. Go to chat, go to Teams. Yes, so we can quit Teams, quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.